In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from Amazon. If you no longer use a card or you just want to clean up your account for better organization and security, Amazon makes it fairly simple to remove a saved payment method. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open your web browser and search for Amazon. Once you see the official Amazon website in the search results, click to open it. If you already have Amazon bookmarked, you can go there directly instead. The goal here is simply to get to the main Amazon homepage in your browser. Next, log in if you're prompted to do so. Depending on your browser and device, Amazon may keep you signed in already. If not, enter your account credentials and complete the sign-in process. Make sure you're using the correct Amazon account, especially if you have more than one. Once you're signed in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and hover over Account and Lists. A menu should appear. From there, click Account to open your account settings page. This is where Amazon groups together the main tools for managing your profile, orders, security, and payment information. On the account page, look for the Payments Options box and click it. This section contains the payment methods currently saved to your Amazon account, including credit and debit cards you've used before. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Under the section labeled Your Saved Credit and Debit Cards, find the payment method you want to remove. Click on that specific card to expand its details. Take a second to double-check that you've selected the correct payment method before moving forward, especially if you have multiple cards with similar last four digits. After the card details panel expands, look on the right side for the Remove button. Click Remove to start deleting that payment method from your account. This tells Amazon that you no longer want that card stored in your profile. A confirmation pop-up will then appear on your screen. Click Confirm Remove to permanently remove the payment method from your Amazon profile. Once you do that, the card should disappear from your saved payment methods list. And that's it. The payment method has now been removed from your Amazon account. If you're updating your billing details, you can repeat the same process for any other cards you no longer want saved.